Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals, step rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch ultra bright machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, LED fog lights, auto and telebeam LED headlamps, active shutters, tow hooks, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 17,216 miles. The power rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, a locking tailgate with assist, the corner steps, and a comfortable fold-up back seat with cup holders and a power outlet. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather seats with driver memory, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, wireless charging, the heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.